Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea called homework experiential learning from surroundings from new age teaching techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. So the chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Let's Play Together from NCERT Class 3. Chapter 9, the subject is English, and the time duration for this activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. So the innovation here is to connect the topics taught in the class or school by experiential learning and observation and hands-on experience with the help of parents and guardians. The concept here is to revise the action words with ing form, number names, and creative writing. This activity can be conducted in two different ways. First, you can teacher can ask a student to go to a park or a garden with their parents and observe things like action of people and number of people, and then write the short description in their notebook about the park and what were people doing, how many people were there. Then teacher can next day ask student the questions like how many people were there in the park, what was the people doing there. And for the second part, teacher can ask student to go to their kitchen and observe the objects in the kitchen and the number of the objects, like count the number of various objects present in the kitchen, like plates, glasses, container, etc. And they can write their observation in their notebook. Teacher can next day ask the question related to the activity, like how many glasses are there in your kitchen, how many plates are there in your kitchen, how many containers were there. Then conclude the activity by informing a student that we can count various objects in your daily life. From this activity, student will be able to understand simple statements by spoken by the teacher. They will be able to use the proper pronouns related to the gender, like he, she, they, their, and some demonstrative word like this, that. And the child will be able to know the numbers from 1 to 30 and their name, with the name and their spellings. So for this activity, the homework needs to be experiential and hands on. The core life skills that can be added are critical thinking and interpersonal skills. The values that can be touched upon are gratitude, showing appreciation to their elders, especially to the family members. Through self-exploring, a student with poor cognitive ability can understand the concept by engaging engaging their multiple senses. Experiential learning takes a student from a abstract world to the real world, making their learning long lasting. It will help children with autism to develop concept about the new places and things. So for this interesting activity, innovative idea, that's all. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our official channel ZIIEI, and you can download our app ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala from Google Play Store. Thank you.